Changing the language in a Spotify app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Setting. Tap on the Home tab at the bottom of the screen, then select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Language Settings. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the language option. This may be listed under a section like Playback or General. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your language, close the app completely and reopen it. This will ensure that the language change takes effect. Now you can enjoy Spotify in your preferred language. If you have any issues, consider checking for app updates or reinstalling the app.